One of the things we wanted to figure out was how to basically eliminate what I refer to as cold outbound. So all of our outbound was warm and all of it was ecosystem marketing all working together. And to do that, we needed to figure out how to build ourselves an AI command center that could do a lot of the research, deep research, and logistical repetitive work that was occupying a lot of our team's time and making them sad inside. And Austin actually built all of this with Clay by himself previously, and it was an extensive undertaking. So we were looking for ways to make this easier on ourselves and automate it with UserGems. And I made that money back in a month on it because we did an early POC and saw that it was going to actually just streamline all of this for us and improve our data and improve the quality of our targeting and give us time back. So we plugged UserGems in pretty quickly and we fed it all of the stuff at the top, trying to train their Gem E, which is an AI SDR. We tested all of them. This was the only one we trusted to automate with and take our hands almost all the way off the wheel.